Hello, 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 hello. This is another video on the same day. I'm doing so many. I love them. A single pack of miles away. Now you see this link? Well, I brought the page up here. Single pack of miles. And just have a single pair. Come on, do it. 1.7.3. I'll just be up here. The first one. This is really good. Let's click on it. That's just a list thing. Whatever it's loading and it's loading. Now it's loading. Woohoo! So you'll come on to here. Now look, it says stay on 1.7. Anyway. Look, skip all of this. What is it? I think I might skip it anyway. Have I skipped it? Probably. No, here it is. It's right down the bottom. For download, that just pushing. But I don't actually want to do it. But I have that. Anyway, so here, so it's very easy. You just open it up, like so, and then you open up your thing, which I already have there. You know how to get there. If you don't, then that's just stupid. You go into a bin folder, and you grab this, the World Edit jar, and oh, sorry, I clicked on it, and then you just drag it. That's it. Plug it in. Sorry, I don't know what that is. That's probably loading. And then you're going to want to open up your Minecraft jar and open with WinRAR archive bar, drag inside, zing, oh no, not World Edit, I'm dragging this, then put it in Dalichi. That's it. I actually don't use World Edit, I don't know how, don't probably go doing it, but it's quite good, I guess. You just want to clear a huge space, like making a huge castle and just a huge hill in your way. You can't even bother to use way too many items. Too many items to spawn yourself a diamond. Then you can just world out it. So I'm not sure if it works. Actually, if this doesn't work, I'm not putting it up on YouTube. But if it's up on YouTube, oh look, there it is. It'll come up there. And what you can do when it's like that is you press T. What you do. And I'll just give you a few that I know and I love. It's fly, just type in fly. I put 2, that's good speed. And then you press space and you go up. Press forward and you walk. It's not as good as the flying one, but I recommend carrying the flying one. And just fly. And this is a really good one. Damage. Even now, you now take no damage at all. And this one is also good. I love this one. Just like an explode. And it explodes. There's also and then I'm just going to do 2 because it says it fires a prime TNT. Just have this huge crater. I'm sure you can feel. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Whatever. I don't know. Really into it. The single player command is probably second most useful. Fly! And I think there's a way you can set time, but I'm never actually time 0. No, doesn't do anything. I'm just kind of flying. It is good for flying models. I mean, if you don't want to do the whole mod fold and you just want to, it's not working for you. If you still get the red writing, which I got the first time, If I didn't know, I just watched loads of videos and just kind of reinstalled it. And somehow my mind made me do it the right way. Then go ahead and do that, but I don't know. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been a bit babbly. I don't think it's been very good, actually. No, I don't think it's been very good. I might think it is. Anyway, that is single player command, and that is good mode. And another vid for another match. Thank you, and goodbye. Oh, by the way, you want to know the editing software I use? It's free. It's called Debut Video Capture Like software, and it's free. So if that's what you want to know, that's what